So today we're outside, poolside, having a lot of fun, and we're gonna put a few things in our Bradley smoker. We're gonna start with shrimp kebabs, and we're gonna make smoked Bloody Marys, and also some smoked salsa. It's gonna be really, really, really good. Okay, so I cheat on the marinade. I do it with a little McCormick's. Easy peasy, just add some oil and some cider vinegar, just a splash of that. Then some olive oil. I have my shrimp in the fridge. So once I'm done with this, I'm just gonna pour it all onto the shrimp, and then it's gonna marinate for about 30 minutes. I got my shrimpies. They're ready to go. They're peeled, deveined. I took the tails off of them, and now I'm gonna just pour this marinade on over it, cover it back up, give it a good shake, put it back in the refrigerator, and then we'll come and get the tomatoes ready for the smoker. So, now that the shrimp are in the fridge marinating, I'm gonna get the tomatoes ready for our salsa and our smoked Bloody Marys. What I do is I just cut them in half and just lay them right like that, super easy. So all of our tomatoes are halved, and now I'm just gonna season them a little bit. And last, we're just gonna drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil. Now they're ready to go into our Bradley smoker. I'm putting them in at 220 for about 45 minutes, and they should be good to go. Just gonna get the shrimp. This will make a nice garnish for the Bloody Marys as well. I'm gonna smoke them at the same temperature as the tomatoes for 30 minutes, not as long as the tomatoes, because as soon as these turn pink, they're done. And you don't wanna cook them too long, or they're gonna turn rubbery on you. So let's go to the smoker. All right, the shrimpies and the tomatoes should be ready. Oh, that is beautiful. Our shrimp shish kebabs are done. Oh, these look great. And they are delicious. I've already dug into them. They're so good. Okay, now we're going to pull out the tomatoes. Okay, now we have our fresh smoked salsa. We have our shrimp, and now we're going into our Bloody Marys. It's Bloody Mary time. Get your ice in there, like that. And now, the vodka. Depending on how strong you like it. And then our smoked tomato concoction. It doesn't get any better than that. How beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna taste test it now. That is phenomenal.